Hello students, today classes we have discussing about Biot-Savart's law. This is a one types of law we study in a physics to determine the magnetic field intensity when the current is flow through the wire. What it means? We find out magnetic field intensity by the using of which law? Biot-Savart's law. Okay. This law was discovered by J.V. Biot and Felix Savart in 1820. Already this Biot-Savart's law discovered in 1820. Now I am go to the statement of Biot-Savart's law. What is the particular statement we just discussing now? Biot-Savart's law. Okay. Biot-Savart's the statement is the magnitude of magnetic field produced at a field point P due to a small length of straight conductor carrying current. up to इतना तक मैं पढ़ाया हूँ. Okay, what I am saying just write down. यहाँ पर देखो, this is the conductor. When the current is flow through from, this was the conductor. In this conductor the current is flow. This is the point P. Imagine this P point is observation point. This point we find out the magnetic field intensity, because we know Biot-Savart's law is a law we have using to find out the magnetic field intensity. The distance between from the conductor and observed point is R. Okay. The angle between this conductor and observation point is theta. Imagine this is the small length of the conductor we taken to find out the magnetic field at a point P. Okay. This is the we have uses n cap, find out the vector quantities. Okay. In this point we find out what? Magnetic field intensity. This dB vector is indicate the magnetic field intensity. Okay. This is y axis, this is current is flow, and this one is what? X axis. Okay. This is the diagram of Biot-Savart's law statements we using. This is the P is the observation point, dl is the small length of the conductor, I is the current flow through the straight line conductor, and R is the distance between conductor and observation point, and dB is the magnetic field intensity. Again I am go to the statements. Okay. The statement what? The magnitude of the magnetic field produced at a field point P due to a small length of straight conductor carrying current. It means when the current is flow in a straight line conductor, in this according to the Biot-Savart, in this case just I am in this diagram, just current is flow in this conductor. In this case we just find out the magnetic field current is mathematically we mention this dB. If the current is flow through the conductor, then what types of magnetic field intensity find in a P point or observation point? Just dB is directly proportional to the dl. In this case ऐसे ही होगा. If when the current is flow through the conductor, if P point we find out the dB, then the dB is, the condition is dB is directly proportional to dl. dV is directly proportional to the flow of current. dB is directly proportional to the sin theta of the angle between what? This conductor and R distance of the point P, and dB is inversely square of the distance between conductor and observation point P. This is the mathematical condition we uses to find out the statement. तो यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा, तो ऐसे क्या होगा, द स्टेटमेंट इज मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूस्ड एट ए field point P due to a small length of straight line conductor, this is the straight line conductor carrying, is directly proportional to the product of current, means मैं डाल दिया हूँ क्या, product of current means dB is directly proportional to the I, small length means dB is directly proportional to the dl, and directly proportional to the angle of sign of angle current flow conductor and distance r from the element of the point. This is condition theta or contain sin theta, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the elements of the point, means what, the equation is 1 by r square. This is again, now I am going to this one. This is the particular condition we have draw प्रीवियस इन दिस पेपर. ओके, तो अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे, तो ये हो जाएगा dB इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द dl I sin theta by r square. So that implies that dB is, we contain some constant k is equal to dl I sin theta by r square. This is the equation we have uses to find out the what, Biot-Savart's law. This is the equation we using to find out the magnetic field intensity by the using of Biot-Savart's law. Here we have contained dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi dl I sin theta by r square. This is the condition equation we just using to find out the what, magnetic field intensity by the using of what, by the using of, this is the equation using of Biot-Savart's law, find out what, magnetic field intensity. This is the condition we just draw. Now the vector form, this equation is one types of which form, this equation is one types of scalar form, this equation is scalar form. Now I am go to vector form. vector form में कैसे होगा, तो vector form में ऐसे ही होगा, dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta n cap by r square. This is the condition of only we have mentioned n cap. This is the vector form. If this theta, this one theta, distance between this one, if theta is equal to 0, then dB is equal to 0 because sin theta is equal to 0. If similarly, if theta is equal to 90 degree, then we find out dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl by r square. It means this is the, if the point is situated in a straight line conductor, we do not find any magnetic field intensity. If this observation point perpendicular to this conductor, in this case we find out the magnetic field intensity. This is the total Biot-Savart's law. Okay, this is the expression of Biot-Savart's law. Okay, so this is all about Biot-Savart's law. So मैंने इसके बाद दूसरा वाला वीडियो डाल दूंगा, इसमें मैं ये नोट डाल दूंगा, आप वहाँ से नोट कर लेना. एनी डाउट, यू जस्ट कॉन्टैक्ट मी. थैंक यू.